Riddle here. I'm out in the forest. It's a rainy day in Santa Cruz, California, and I am getting more soil for the garden. Getting more soil for the garden? No, I'm not at Home Depot. I'm out in the forest. I'm going to show you really quick the tricks of collecting your own topsoil. Now, this was made pretty easy for us because our neighbors made a road a couple years ago. And when they came through the forest to make this kind of temporary road to get some machines through to put a well in, they went ahead and piled all the dirt and scrapings in mounds around the perimeter of their property. So I've been coming in because it's been 3 or 4 years and it's been sitting here decomposing, which is great because our soil, the forest soil, has a tendency of being a little too acidic because of all of these redwood trees and oak trees. So the beautiful thing is when you're collecting soil, you have to understand there's different types of ingredients or materials in soil. You have your clay, I hope I'm catching that, and then you have your humus, which is leaves and wood that has actually rotted. It'll be like reddish colored. And then you have, if you're lucky, this beautiful leaf litter or leaf mold, which is actually mushroom spores. When it does this, that is golden because it's really decomposed and there's tons of nutrients in there. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're not looking at it as dirt, because dirt isn't dirt. Dirt is a big mixture of things to make great soil that you can grow vegetables in that's not too compacted. If you have too much sand, the water's going to go through, it's never going to hold water, and you're always going to be watering, and it's going to be hard for it to hold nutrition. If you have too much clay, then the roots are going to have trouble growing down through, and it's going to hold too much water, and that's going to be a problem. What you want is this beautiful balance of the organic material, the clay, and this leaf litter, if you can find it. Sometimes it'll form in compost piles and people think it's mold and it's not good, but this is actually golden and it smells beautiful. It almost smells like patchouli, and this is what I've been growing my garden with this year, and the garden is phenomenal. So that's just a little tip about getting dirt from the forest. Doesn't always have to have the leaf litter in, but if you encounter it, snag it, mix it into the soil. It'll continue to help decompose and enrich your soil. And that's it for now. I gotta keep working. If you enjoy my channel and my quick money-saving organic tips and garden wisdom, please subscribe. It helps. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. Bye.